World War II, or also known as the Second World War, was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including the great powers, forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis. In a state of total war, directly involving more than 100 million personnel from more than 30 countries, the major participants threw their entire economic, industrial, and scientific capabilities behind the war effort. Blurring the distinction between civilian and military resources, World War II was the deadliest conflict in human history, resulting in 70 to 85 million fatalities, with more civilians than military personnel killed. Tens of millions of people died due to genocides, including Holocaust, permeated from starvation, massacres, and disease. Aircraft played a major role in the conflict, including in strategic bombing of population centers and the only uses of nuclear weapons in war. World War II is generally considered to have begun in 1st September 1939 with the invasion of Poland by Germany and subsequent declarations of war in Germany by France and the United Kingdom. From late 1939 to early 1941, in a series of campaigns and treaties, Germany conquered or controlled much of continental Europe and formed the Axis alliance with Italy and Japan. Under the Molotov-Ribbentrop Pact of August 1939, Germany and the Soviet Union partitioned and annexed territories of their European neighbors, Poland, Finland, Romania, and the Baltic states. Following the onset of campaigns in North Africa and East Africa, and the fall of France in mid-1940, the war continued primarily between the European Axis powers and the British Empire. With war in the Balkans, the aerial battle of Britain, the Blitz, and the Battle of Atlantic on 22 June 1941, Germany led the European Axis powers in an invasion of the Soviet Union, opening the largest land theater of war in history, and trapping the Axis. Crucially, the Germans were matched in war of attrition. Japan, which aimed to dominate Asia and the Pacific, was at war with the Republic of China by 1937. In December 1941, Japan attacked the United States and European colonies in East Asia and the Pacific. Following a US declaration of war against Japan, which followed one from the UK, the European Axis powers declared war on the United States in solidarity with their ally. Japan soon captured much of Western Pacific, but its advances were halted in 1942 after losing the critical Battle of Midway. Later, Germany and Italy were defeated in North Africa and at Stalingrad in the Soviet Union. Key setbacks in 1943, including a series of German defeats on the Eastern Front, the Allied invasions of Sicily and the Italian mainland, and Allied offensives in the Pacific, cost the Axis its initiative and forced it into strategic defeat on all fronts. In 1944, the Western Allies invaded German-occupied France, while the Soviet Union regained its territorial losses and turned towards Germany and its allies. During 1944 and 1945, Japan suffered reversals in mainland Asia, while the Allies crippled Japanese Navy and captured key Western Pacific islands. Thank you for listening to me.